This Halloween, turn your home into a space of spooky creativity. DIY Halloween decorations aren't just about looks. They're about imagination, playfulness, and the thrill of making something unique. Whether you want an eerie, elegant, or just plain fun atmosphere, it all begins with your own hands and a few inspired ideas. Get ready to create, craft, and celebrate the season in true Halloween style. Today, we'll explore 3 simple steps for creating your own Halloween magic: building the base, designing the details, and setting the spooky mood. These DIY ideas are flexible, easy to customize, and perfect for anyone who loves to decorate. Every great decoration starts with a vision. Begin by setting the foundation. Think about your theme, your space, and the feeling you want to create. Your base gives structure to everything that follows, whether you're designing for indoors, outdoors, or just one cozy corner. It doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest setup can make the biggest impact. Focus on layering textures, using shapes, and playing with contrast to create depth and interest. What kind of Halloween vibe do you love? Mysterious and dark, or colorful and fun? Tell us your favorite style in the comments below. Segment 2. Designing the details, 4 to 6:30. Now it's time to add personality. The magic of DIY lies in the details, textures, shapes, and little touches that make your space come alive. Use contrast to create drama, patterns to build intrigue, and layering to give everything dimension. Experiment freely. Mix bold ideas with subtle effects. Every handmade piece adds charm and originality. Whether your space feels spooky, whimsical, or beautifully mysterious, the goal is to let your imagination take over. If these DIY Halloween decoration ideas sparked your creativity, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love getting crafty for spooky season. The finishing touch is atmosphere. Lighting, shadows, and arrangement transform your work into an experience. Play with brightness, movement, and perspective. The smallest change can shift your whole scene from simple to spectacular. Once it all comes together, take a moment to enjoy what you've created. It's not just decoration, it's an expression of creativity and festive spirit. Your home becomes part of the story of Halloween. For more Halloween decorating inspiration, DIY crafts, and creative home ideas, be sure to subscribe and join us for even more spooky fun. And there you have it, your own DIY Halloween decoration setup. With imagination, creativity, and a few simple ideas, you've transformed your space into something truly special. It's all about enjoying the process, expressing yourself, and celebrating the season in your own unique way. So this Halloween, get creative, have fun, and fill your home with spooky charm. Happy decorating and happy haunting.